In front of me is ZTE Blade V70 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down and click on Privacy Controls. Finally, you can tap on Permission Manager at the top and select one of your device's features you wish to manage, like camera. Following that, click on one of your apps and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. In my case, allow only while using the app. But you can also select the all permissions over here and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!